straight blue.
Probably hit up this little corner.
And then hit train yard. Sweep back into train yard.
Three going to train yard. Looks like there's one maybe coming to us. So.
Where the doors are.
Oh, nice. So we have here 301. Alright, 301, Eva, I'm ready.
I got a bolt right now, and that blue backpack.
A few moments later.
Should I push that?
His buddy's rezzing him.
Yep, I'm going over there right now.
No, up top.
They're in the building I'm in right now.
I'm not over there.
I know. I'm nervous.
No!
Knocked him. He's coming to res him, I hear him.
Oh my god, cracked him. He doesn't have any devotion ammo left. He's just right here with the sniper.
Yep.
Alright, res, quick.
I almost lost that. I'm so pissed.
You're fine.
I was hitting my Eva shots, but they were like going down. 15, 8, 7. You know, for damage.
Oh, screw this. I'm going where that octane was.
Let's go. Like, I need to loot up still. And...
You don't want to push him over here?
Oh, if we want, yeah, if you want to, yeah.
So we're over there.
Let's go. I'll scan.
Oh, Father, give me sight.
Ah. We can third party that fight from just over there.
Weren't they fighting over there? Are they going to be coming in?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Come in. Want to take the high ground here? Oh, he's 10 flesh. I broke him.
Wow! Okay, well.
Man.
One's up. There's one more down there. Nice! Yeah, I'm dropping down,
Drop down.
Good shit.
Is there another team over here or no?
I don't know.
I got her just before she teleported. That was a very close call.
Few inches later.
Right here safe, right here safe. Oh, okay.
Let's see that you're safe there. I hear him. Coming over here. Right up here.
Purple.
Eliminated one. You got the other? That was
Nope.
it?
That's another squad over here.
And I got a shield.
Yep.
I'm gonna go to that death box.
Alright.
Right here.
Yep.
Oh, sorry.
Nope, you're good. I'm backing off. I'm going over here.
Shit. fighting the other team. Right here.
1 second, I got this. One more squad.
Whew!
Dude, I'm taking low and getting in circle to Phoenix, dude.
You know, I gotta. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
I'm rotating to get up there.
I broke the Ash.
Okay.
Patching myself
There's
up.
an Arc Star up there. It might just be an Ash.
Scanning the area.
She's that way.
Shit. Wow, that
Fuck
shit hooks like that?
Yes.
Recharge my shields.
Let him waste it.
Successful arrow shot away.
This is a squad from fucking earlier.
Up there.
Thermite grenade.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots.
10 seconds.
Dude, how are we gonna beat that position that they have? Evac tower?
No, they can just shoot at us as we go up.
Doing that as a distraction?
Sure.
Use the map as your guide. The ring is moving.
Down one. He's almost cracked.
It's all you, dude. Heal up. They are cracked, I believe now. Yep, they're up top.
Let me know if you hear him rezzing.
No, dude's on the floor. Dude's on the ground. Oh yeah, baby! What happened
Fucking
there?
one clip.
Yeah, baby!
Oh.
Dude, great job! See,